Focus. Hi guys, I'm Harshada. Welcome back to Flow Amazing. I hope you guys are doing amazing. आज आहे इंटरनॅशनल हॅपीनेस डे. I wish you guys all good things, all good happiness. Good happiness काय असतं बे? All happiness in the world. आणि I hope you guys are actually happy in your lives. हा काळ थोडासा असा आहे की म्हणजे विशिंग फॉर एनिथिंग गुड, नॉट हॅपनिंग एनिथिंग बॅड इज विशिंग फॉर एनिथिंग गुड ऍक्च्युअली इन द केस. बट असं नाहीये. हॅपीनेस इज something you can feel whenever, however, wherever you want. So I have come up with this legit plan like a week ago. I started thinking in my office sitting in the round chair की काय म्हणजे हॅपीनेसचा कॉन्सेप्ट काय असू शकतात. आता अर्थात त्या सगळ्यांच्या डिफरंट असू शकतात, मान्य आहे. पण माझ्या काय आहेत म्हणजे अशा काय गोष्टी आहेत ज्या मला खुश बनवतात. अँड देन आय गेव माय सेल्फ अ चॅलेंज, हर्षदा, write legit 50 things which makes you happy. And it makes me more happy announcing this ki when I was just targeted myself to write 50, I came up with 53 things. Like amazing. So I like it. This video is nothing more than me reading out the 52 things that makes me immense happy. Now there could be some stupid thing involved, but whatever, we don't care because that makes me happy. And of course, if you like the video, make sure you hit like, share and subscribe. Also tell me into the comment section below what things that make you happy. Plus, can you write down the 50 things that makes you happy like in one go, not like taking a 2 days long time and thinking and overthinking and Don't do that. I don't want you to do that. All you have to do is sit in the one time, write legit 50 things that make you happy. And if you do it, please let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you made story on Instagram, tag me there also. It's @FlowAmazing. Without wasting any time, let's get into the reading the 50 things. Also, I'm not gonna explain those things because explaining 50 things would take like maybe 50 years or something like that. But yay, I'm gonna read out all these things to you guys. Starting with the first, rain. Second, coffee. Third, long drives. Fourth, coffee outs. जैसे dates होता है, जैसे lunch out होता है, वैसे coffee outs. Fifth thing, writing. Writing anything at all makes me happy. Sixth thing, shooting videos for you guys. It does make me happy, alright. Seventh thing, strategizing for social media or social media campaign or anything like that. Strategizing part is amazing. The eighth thing is making event campaigns. Ninth thing is sisters time with Darshu, the coffee thing we do. Yeah, you know. 10th thing, songs on loudspeaker. Yes, I do. 11th thing is shopping. 12th thing is wandering here and there on street markets or window shopping in old markets. Okay, so again, one more thing and a disclaimer. Maybe I should have given it in the starting or in the end, but whatever. Middle disclaimer is these things are not into any order, not according to priority, nothing at all. Matlab, the thing that I have listed on 38 might be the first thing I like. I don't know what is 38, but let's go. 13th thing is photo walk. 14th, reading an interesting book. 15th, reading by going to cafes. I'm very specific about my happiness. Yeah, there you go. I'm reading it out of laptop. So yes, a little bit of adjustments got to go. 16th thing, talking to Priya. Oh yes, you are lucky, all right. 17th thing is hanging out with my people. 18th thing is fam jam. Oh, that's whole my jam. 19th thing is my baba singing to karaoke. He is fun when he sings. 20th thing is cooking momos or Maggi. I told you I'm very specific. Not cooking. Cooking momos or Maggi. 21st thing is watching favorite web series again and again. 22nd thing that I like is making Darshu like my favorite web series or new TV series. 23rd thing is binge watching the content. Like if I love somebody on YouTube, if I like vegan content, food content, I keep like to watching it on repetitive mode. No matter how many times I've seen that same video of 10 seconds, I would like to watch it again and again and again. Next thing is, I should have wear my glasses though. 24th thing is planning trips. That never happens in real life, but I like planning things. 25th, dancing randomly. 26th, choreographing Kathak dance with Sakshi, which by the way I'm missing a lot. 27th is riding bike and chill with badass me, or I'm in love sort of music, headphone going on, music going in my headphone and singing the songs out loud on the roads. Specifications, I mean, mashallah. 28th, going to Salim Chai alone. 29th, Deshpande House. 30th, stalking celebrities or influencers on social media platforms. 31st, writing quotes and sticking them on wall. Oh, I like the post-it thing, is my favorite. Give to me post-it on my next birthday. 32nd is fantasizing about my company. I can't stress this enough how many times I've been doing that, but yes. The 33rd is listening to Marathi songs on Carvaan. Specification goes like, in the evening with I and Priya. 34th is Natya Sangeet with Ai Baba. 35th is taking/making notes of anything or everything, whatever. 36th is watching my old Bollywood movies over and over again. Yes, I am that. हम साथ साथ हैं, मतलब पता नहीं कितने बार देखी होगी. Anywho, moving on. 37th is discussing mythology, especially with Pratham. 38th, debating over spiritual facts/thoughts/beliefs. 39th is finding different ways to waste money. Oh yeah, that makes me happy, very happy. 40th thing is fantasizing about my future in general. 41st is thinking about how boss babe I am. That is for self-validation thing, but that makes me happy, so it counts, alright. 42nd is expressing gratitude and complimenting somebody, anybody who is actual genuine there, very genuine. 43rd is anything that my stupid friend Prathamesh says, I can enjoy him. Like whatever bullshit he's saying, anywho, I like. 44th is listening to Prathamesh's poem recitings in general and anything nonsense he could talk over that. 45th is coloring in my coloring book, especially those are meant for kids where the color is written like feel yellow here, feel green here. I like doing that, that gives me happiness. 46th is any sudden plan of going out or cancelling out the plan, anything sudden that plans gives me happiness. 47th is trying new cafes and giving critics if asked. 48th is random compliments from random people. I just love it. 49th is the fan moment that happens, especially when I am out with someone and somebody like come to me asking, hey, you're so amazing, and I go like, no. Yeah, that gives me happiness. So if you ever see me or encounter with me anywhere, if I'm alone or not alone or with anybody, come to me and please hug me. 50th thing, although, is singing out. So even if that is nowhere near to the sur tal that the actually song has, I like singing it out no matter how besura it is. 51st thing is stargazing. Oh my god, I can't say how much I love the stargazing. I just extremely love stargazing. I don't understand anything rather than Saptarshi. I might find Saptarshi someday or somewhere by chance, but I don't understand anything, but I just like stargazing, like looking into the stars and all. I might see the universe that I always be in. 52nd is the last thing that I came across on one sitting is spending time near ocean, lake or watery anything. I mean anything. So few days back when I was in the home and it was still quarantine and lockdown and everything, I used to spend time. I used to take the book that I'm reading into the bathroom just because it used to feel nice. Anywho, it's not how weird I am video, right? So these are the 52 things that make me immensely happy. Thank you so much, you guys, and I'll see you next time.